Where to find the ambient mode, adaptive, or active noise canceling, or how to cycle between these modes here on your Buds 4 or the Buds 4 Pro on a Samsung phone. Taking it from the start, use the quick access and look for the Bluetooth toggle. When you see it, you'll long press it like this here. That'll take you here. Go to details over here. Then you'll see Buds 4 if you have, or the 4 Pro. And across of it is that setting option here. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to this area here. Now with the latest Samsung updates, you'll no longer need the app to control the earbuds if you have the Buds 3, Buds 4 Pro. So here you'll see off, ambient, all right, adaptive, and then the active noise canceling one here, okay? So you'll have to have them both in your ears, and I do have them in mind so that I could show you how that works. And for each option here, you got the level of how much you can control here, okay? You got the auto switch to ambient sound here, which this is all depending on your settings here, okay? So, but that could sometimes switch without you wanting to do that. So I would say not to do that, all right? Now, you also have another way to access these features instead of going into the app itself all the time. Go to earbud controls, and you're gonna see that there is media controls here. Then you're gonna see pinch and hold controls here. You can turn them on from here for both left and right. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see that. You're gonna see left and right here. So for the left one, you can tap on the words and you can switch here for the noise canceling one here. This is how it is, okay? If it's turned on for left and you select the different types of active noise or ambient sound here, when you select this, tap on the words and you will choose what it will actually do instead of having them all on at the same time, causing confusion. So if you want the left one to be long press for active noise, then leave it as that, okay? And then when you come out of here, go to right and turn it on, and then you select it, then tap here on the words itself and tap on active noise to leave the ambient one on only, okay? So it's gonna be like ambient only, whatever, and then just turn that off like that too, so that it can save, okay? So just make sure you press like done so that it can save it as that from here on, okay? Make sure you get that done option here so you can do that for you, okay? So just done, and then it'll save it as that from here on. So you'll be able to switch between the different modes with the long pinch of the earbuds instead of going into the app all the time, okay? And that's it, like it said.